My name is Dirk Schrader, and I have been a veterinary practitioner in Hamburg for 46 years. There are so many illnesses within veterinary medicine which conventional medicine cannot cope with. It can cope to some extent, but not with everything. But if you do bioresonance, your patients change completely. This really is the truth. I remember working with a dog who was terminally ill. He really was very ill and was in his last days. We treated him and he started to get a little better, but he was still ill and a shadow of his former self. He was 5 or 6 years old, a retriever, not an old dog. We started bioresonance, and after 7 treatment sessions, he had changed so much, and he remains like this today. The biggest advantage is that it works. It really does work. Some people don't understand it, don't believe in it, but it really does work. One of my sons is like that. It will take time, but he will get there. I read an article written by a Hamburg doctor about ReggieMed's bioresonance device and how she had used it with her own child. It said that today she only does bioresonance because she's so convinced by it. I called her to ask if this were true. She had been unable to help her small child with conventional medicine, so went to a naturopathic practitioner. The naturopath did bioresonance, and the child remains healthy today. Our therapeutic chances would be much less. At the moment, a large proportion of the animals that we treat have chronic illnesses. If we couldn't offer bioresonance, that would be highly unfair. It wouldn't be right. They are ill, but no one cares. No, we want them to be healthy, and it works so well.